Now, as expected, track and field dominates the list of nominees for the 2021 R.J. Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards. Here's Spencer Darlington.
Heading the list of 5 female nominees are Tokyo Olympics triple gold medalist Elaine Thompson-Herah, sprint relay gold medalist and 100-meter bronze medalist Sharika Jackson, sprint relay gold medalist and 100-meter silver medalist Shelley Ann Fraser-Price, and sprint hurdles bronze medalist Megan Tupper have also been nominated for the prestigious accolade along with West Indies women's cricket team captain Stefanie Taylor. Headlining the 4 male nominees is Olympic 110-meter hurdles gold medalist Hansel Parchment. Also making the cut are Olympic sprint hurdles bronze medalist Ronald Levy, West Indies batsman Nkrumah Bonner and motorsport driver Fraser McConnell. Nominations were made for performances up to the end of November. However, provisions are in place for late nominations to be submitted by the various national sporting associations. Meanwhile, chairman of the R.J. Gleaner Sports Foundation, Gary Allen, says the maximum number of awards will be presented for this year.
The return to a full set of awards being presented is one which has taken place because most major sporting activities at the international level and a number of them at the local level saw some normality this year, especially with the staging of the Tokyo Olympics. And there were other major sporting events that took place as well.
However, the awards gala will not be done in its usual format due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
We will therefore have the decisions of the selection committee and the awards being presented virtually in a full made-for-television event.
Meanwhile, Selection Committee Chairman Mike Fennell says there will be widespread recognition of representatives from the various disciplines.
Whereas attention will be focused on all the top performers at the world level, we should never ignore a long list of performers at the local level, and therefore a part of our presentations will be celebrating the performances of our athletes in all sports, and in this regard, we depend highly on the nominations to be sent in by the various sports associations.
In the meantime, 5 performances have been selected for the People's Choice Awards to be voted on by members of the public. They are Michael Antonio's goal against the United States in World Cup qualifying action last month, Fraser McConnell's victory in the Nordic Rally Series in February, Hansel Parchment's sprint hurdles gold at the Tokyo Olympics, Megan Tupper's 100-meter hurdles bronze medal performance also at the Olympics, and Elaine Thompson-Herah's scorching personal best of 10.54 seconds at the Eugene Diamond League on August 21. The awards function will be held on Friday, January 21, starting at 8:35 p.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.